Hello everyone, welcome to the channel UMathsTube. Today we'll solve two more word problems. Let us start with the first problem, problem 1. Tim and Kim each thought of two separate numbers. Tim's number is twice the number of Kim. If Tim's number is doubled and takes away 27 from it, the number becomes 69. What is Kim's number? First, let Kim's number is x. So Tim's number is twice the number of Kim. So we get Tim's number as 2 of x. This means twice the number of Kim's number. And then it says if Tim's number is doubled. So if we double this 2x, so 2 times 2x and takes away 27 from it means minus 27. It becomes 69 equals 69. So 2 times 2x is 4x minus 27 equals 69, or 4x equals 69 plus 27, or 4x equals 96, and x equals 96 divided by 4, or x equals 24. So x is the value of Kim's number, so we get the Kim's number as 24. This is the end of problem number 1. Let us move to the problem number 2. Alex was playing a computer game and had 1000 points. In the game, he bought 6 fighter helicopters, each costing 109 points. He also bought a fighter jet. After that, he had 135 points left. How many points did the jet cost? So let the jet costs x points. That means the fighter jet costs x points. Total points costs for helicopters are 6 times 109. Since each fighter helicopters costed 109 points, so there are 6 fighter helicopters. So 6 times 109 becomes 654. So after that, he had 135 points left. So we have 655 points for helicopters, x for the jet, and 135 points left. So if we add these three together, we'll get 1000 points altogether. Therefore, x is the jet's cost plus 6 helicopters costs is 654 plus the points left is 135. Altogether we get 1000. Or x plus 789 equals 1000, or x equals 1000 minus 789. So x becomes 211. This means the jet costs 211 points. So the jet costs 211 points. This is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see some more problems in the next video. Thank you.